now. So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the first round of me trying to improve in the programming. The best way seems to be just do the shit, just do the thing. So, I'm developing a application. We have a backend, we have a front end, we have a C continuous integration pipeline on a GitHub. We have a database both in memory and second one running in the Postgre database running in the Docker container. So we have those, and what we will do today is to change the API, which I wrote to the way which is more standard by the industry. I was just fucking around and I did not know what I was doing really. Write a test which will test our backend API, yeah, and we will go from there. For anyone who doesn't know my process, I split the process into rounds, and each round consists of 5 minutes of typing exercise and then 35 minutes. Right now, it used to be 25, now it's 35 minutes of development, learning, whatever. Yeah, let's get into it, right? As the chat works, test. Yes, it does work. Bot is here as well. Cool. Hey, very cool. I see. Hey, how are you? You're first time here, right? On a channel. I don't remember you that much. Am I? Well, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Or at least I don't remember you from chat. So nice to have you here. Last time. Just quiet. I see. No. Okay, I thought it would be worse. So it is a 6:48. So how we are doing? The average for the last few days is this guy, okay? Oh, that's pretty high VPM, for me at least. 2 minutes, probably. Oh, I think I will not, well, 1 minute overtime maybe, is my guess. My estimate. Okay. 40 seconds overtime, okay. Oh, 2% and 52, nice. This is very nice. 252. Okay, so this concludes our typing part of the session. And oh, is this expired or no? Bum, 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 bum. Is 19, today is 20, yes, it is expired. So we will change this to the default image. Okay. Now I will start the timer. Then I will go here and look into this. And we have the issues. Pushing create default database. And there's no default permissions. Can you see a shell db? Okay. Yeah, so this is also something we need to do. And hey, thank you for the follow. Oh wait, that's not follow, that's something else. That is a... That's not follow, that's the auto host. Oh, thank you. Thank you for that. Why do you hate that? Or what do you hate exactly? Maybe it would be like the notification, or... Oh, I see. What are your... Hey, Tramstar. So I will pick up this one. What is this? Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you for the follow. Yeah, so we'll do that. So, and because the previous thing was not merged, so I will base my my branch on the latest one, which it's maybe not nice, but well, I can continue the development, then merge the main branch in, right? Which I should do anyways, before creating the pull request. Yeah, so we will do exactly that. I'll have a look where I am. I'm on a front-end setup. That's good. How we are looking in terms of like getting all the things to the front end, to the GitHub. It's there. It is there. So I will create a new branch from here. New branch, and this will be API change. That should be quick. Okay. So now those are the tests which I need to do, but also I can have a look into the ingredient controller. Yes, the controller, and we will change this. So this will be ingredient. Okay, so this will be definitely like this, ingredient ID, then this host will be just that, put also just that, and delete will be like this. Now yes, so we'll try those. Oh yeah, it is. Yes, I found it somewhere online. It's a pretty nice picture. So it will be ingredient, and it should be in a I'm not sure about all, because and maybe it should be ingredients. well, get without anything that will return just every, yes, so it will be this. This will be ingredients, and we have get all, that will be just get on ingredients, then get one by ID, then create this post, put mapping, put with ingredient, and then we have delete. And the put mapping should be also by ID. So to adhere to the standards of the industry, so it will be path, and we will have this guy over here. Yep. Yeah. So we have those. Now what? Bullshit, I don't need to shift it. It's unnecessary. But a post is a new one. This will be put is update one. Okay. Okay. So, well, I will run the application from here. I think that will be a little bit, yes, it's skilled here, so go here and I will run the application from here. Okay, so that should be up and running. Cool, so this will be ingredients, and we got it. Okay, so that's the one, but I can also do ingredients one. Got it, okay, so that works. So we have those, right? Get all ingredients, get ingredient by. I'm not sure if here should be plural or singular. Someone did post a. God damn it. Full API.net, maybe it's the place. Resource methods. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is, hey, jitter, always pro. Great. Here is like, yeah, it could be in English as well. So here's the, I will send you that in the private chat and switch. Um, where's the here? I trim stars. I did send you the place where we can transfer bigger files. Welcome, Jitter. So plural, right? Just out of curiosity, is there a reason, or is it like a convention? So we have those. Date mapping. Because the endpoint of by itself is a collection of those things. You mean because when I have the get mapping, like if I do this, then I get the list, right? Yeah, but I could, the same way I could do like path and /all. So in that case, it will be ingredient. Yeah, I'm not like, I would like to use like what is used normally, and I get like it is used like without this. Also trying to understand why, you know. Everything ultimately is convention, so unless you have a good reason to do otherwise follows convention. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I was just wondering if there's a, you know, like something behind it, you know, like maybe some logic, you know, like which I could, you know, like improve to the underlying arterial rest, which is a very user set of resources. Okay. So this was kind of like easy. Naming is never logical, it's always convention. One part of me want to say yes, and the other part of me want to think about it a little bit more. Today I was listening to a podcast from the developers of Java 16, and they were talking about the record thing in Java. It was kind of interesting. Names, nouns, and there's nothing logical about names for things. Example, why is ingredient called ingredient? I see. So right now we have this, right? So I changed the API. So that's why naming is so hard. Yeah, it's also like, because everyone can have an opinion. I remember like in my previous work, when someone did implement something in the backend, there was no PO or anyone who would like have an opinion on like how you would do things in the backend, right? But if you did something in the front end, everyone has an opinion how it should be. Everyone had an opinion, and I think like it's similar to the naming, or I would guess. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. No, it was Control Shift T. Yes. Okay, so we can write the tests, right? Why is this underlined? Ingredient by ID. I don't know. Front end is clone Fiesta anyway. Yeah, everything changes so fast in the front end. 1 year you learn this framework, and the next year is different one. And it seems like more established or stable, the backend for me. You know, even the practices. Well, even the fact that there is a set of best practices. Yeah, and maybe it's because I'm unskilled. You know, it seems to me a little bit like Wild West, the front end. You know, which. But I want to do both. You know, I want to do both front end and back end. So it's not like I'm like scoffing it, you know, like or something. So when ingredient service dot what did we have there? That was, we have get all, so it's ingredient but by ID. So by ID with a, that's because folks new to development are mostly going into JavaScript and frontend, so there are most experience there. Change too quickly. Yeah, that's probably right too. I'll close the window. It's getting chilly in here. Yeah, I think even for me it is a little bit more satisfying, you know, to do something on a front end because you can see the results, you know. I don't know, it does something with my stupid monkey brain. You know, I can see it. I'm like, wow, shiny. So even when I created in my other project, where is it? That one I did in a swing, the timer, right? I was also like so happy when I was able to get, you know, to show it, you know, like this timer, right? It's basically like, you know, like doesn't do much, right? But if you can see it, suddenly like, oh, magical! It's all like, oh, I'm a real programmer now. Yeah. Anyway. By ID, and we are putting it the ID, right? So I have to figure out how, when ingredients, and it will be what was the method? Get by ID. Get by ID, and that was any. How do you this? This is how you. No, it's not how you do it. It's not how you do it. Okay, I don't know. So we will have a look. Where is it? Testing web layer. Okay. Lot of stuff, lot of stuff, lot of stuff. Da, 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 da. Our test shows. This is not the tutorial which I was going through. It was something else. What is this? The best way to send large files. Oh, I know. Okay. Oh, this is the which I'm reading. Recommended from Jitter. Oh, here it is. Here it is. It is also recommended by JitterTed. It is the Riekpil. Well, he's German, so maybe I should say Riekpil. Yeah. Okay, so look. Here is when this, then that. What if we have a... If we... Okay. No, verify. No. But Jitter did recommend go to the documentation first, right? How do I go to documentation? Huh. So first of all, what is this? Where is this coming from? This is coming from Mockito. Okay. So Mockito, Java. This looks like this is it. Okay. Why intro? Who? Why whole intro? Okay, so how? See how to drink it. No, where if okay, more info. Create. I have a mock in here as well, right? I did it somewhere in... No, I'm in the wrong place. In the test class, and yes, so this is my mock. This is how I created a mock of the ingredient service. And now on our mock service, when this is called and this parameter is entered. Okay, verify. You can use flexible argument matching. For example, any expression via the any. Okay, so I'll have a look here. So it's small a, looks like. Okay, so any arguments measures any. Oh, any long. Here we go. Haha. Then return and another goods. Oh, this is golden. Spring MVC. Okay. So copy, and I will put it into the safe place so it doesn't get lost. So we'll go LEA. Now we will steal the link. Copy, pasty. That recommends another string MVC testing tutorial. Thank you very much. Commit. Just do it like that. Commit. And we'll push it. Okay. And then return. And I think I don't like how it's formatted. Maybe it should be like when, then, you know, like this, or Yeah. Oof, yeah, doesn't matter, probably. But Control Enter. Here we go. Now this will return one ingredient, right? So it will be a new ingredient, and well, I probably would like to have possibility. Well, it should return. Normally, when I get something from the backend, I get it with ID. So I should have it here too, I think. But I have no way how to create in. Oh, I have it with string name and then. I don't have an all argument constructor in here. Okay, well, I'm using the Lombok, so I can do all args constructor. I don't have to put it in there. So now I can go to the test and I can create ingredient with everything, right? So now if I Control P, yes, Control P. Why is ID second one? It kind of, oh, hold on. Here, yes. So that's the last one. ID, name, and the data, right? So we will say 1L, name will be jitter, and we will have a, we can use the factory method of maps, which were introduced in the later versions of Java. So we do map off, and I'll say no Java true, like so. That's why I don't like Lombok for constructor generation. The order of arguments is according to the order of the fields. Huh? Yeah. So, yeah, that's the way, right? Let's say that now. Well, but the ID is first. Oh, come on. The ID is first here. You see, I have a long ID, then the name, then the map, right? But hey, Orkson. But if I go here and I try to do a new ingredient and I look at that, oh yeah, it does. It does it. Yes, it does it. You were right. It does it exactly. Like, yeah. Okay, so let's say if I switch the positions of those two in my ingredient, you know, so that probably should break my tests, right? Because suddenly I will be, yeah, see that the constructor is different. Yeah, it's expect the name first and then the ID. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there must be a huge delay on the chat. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 seconds. Oh, that's not too much. Yeah, well, but you will probably writing it way before I did the change. But I proved you right in here. So we'll put it in here. Go back. I find builders too verbose and I'm always going to use all the arguments. I think it's like a good practice to have it so. It definitely simplifies how you think about the codes. Or does it? Well, anyway, we will do the test, right? So I do this, MOCKMVC, and we do perform the request. Oh, that's MOCKMVC request builders dot get and okay, so this will not work, right? And also this guy I will repeat multiple times, so this should be extracted. This should be extracted to, yes, this ingredient, and this will be base URL. Okay, base URL, and this will be base U. Oh fuck! It should be in different scope. I will put it in here. There's a Lombok var. Yeah, but at least it prevents new ingredient. No. You can't use var outside of a block. Huh, I did not know that. Because it did work here and I was inside of the block. Yeah. Huh. Okay. URL plus /1. Well, I said any long. Can I say one? Oh, no. 1L like that. Base URL, yes, and then why is this red? Unhandled exception. Yeah, so we'll throw. Oh. We'll throw. Okay. And expect MOCKMVC result matcher status is okay. There's lots of optional properties from builders. Oh, great. And expect. Huh, I don't know how this will be. Okay, so we'll try this. MOCKMVC result matches JSON path, and it will be at the top dot name value jitter that So I think this should work. Pum pum. Blah. Which one is it? None of those. So I'll do, that was Control Shift F10. Okay, it's fucked up. So we will solve this in the next round, because this guy over here says that we are finished with the round number 1. Yay! Okay, so I'll stop the timer.